Why ignoring margin of error hurts business decisions. Have you ever wondered why some business decisions seem to miss the mark? One key reason could be the margin of error. Ignoring this crucial aspect can lead to misguided conclusions that can impact a company's success. Let's break down why understanding margin of error is essential for making informed business choices. The margin of error quantifies the uncertainty surrounding survey or sample data estimates. This means that the true value in the entire population may differ from what a sample shows. For example, if a survey indicates that 53% of respondents are interested in a new product, a margin of error of plus or minus for percent means the actual interest could be anywhere from 49 to 57%. If a business overlooks this range, it risks overestimating how many people actually want the product. Misinterpretation of data precision is a common pitfall. When businesses ignore the margin of error, they assume their data is exact, which is rarely the case. This assumption can lead to launching products or strategies that do not align with actual market demand. Another risk is making wrong conclusions. Decisions based solely on point estimates without considering margin of error can lead to significant missteps. For instance, a company might decide to invest heavily in marketing based on a survey result, only to find that the interest level was not as high as they thought. Understanding margin of error also aids in risk management. It helps businesses gauge the confidence level of their data. This insight can guide whether to proceed cautiously, gather more data, or adjust plans accordingly. Moreover, poor resource allocation can stem from overconfidence in uncertain data. If a business misjudges market demand, it may waste marketing budgets or mismanage inventory. This is especially true when targeting specific demographic groups. In A/B testing or comparisons between demographic segments, ignoring margin of error can lead to false positives or negatives. Differences that appear significant might actually fall within the margin of error, leading to misguided strategies. In the context of demographic data in the United States, where diversity is high, the margin of error tends to be larger unless sample sizes are substantial. This variability means businesses must carefully consider margin of error to avoid overgeneralizing findings from samples that might not fully capture the population's complexity. Practical applications include always reporting and considering the margin of error when analyzing U.S. demographic surveys. This helps in understanding the confidence interval around estimates. Use margin of error to determine if a finding is statistically significant or if more data collection is necessary before making decisions. Adjusting marketing or product strategies to account for uncertainty in demographic data is also vital. Increasing sample sizes or improving survey design can help reduce margin of error when precise estimates are critical for business decisions. In summary, the margin of error is a fundamental measure of uncertainty in demographic data. Ignoring it can lead to flawed business decisions by overstating the reliability of data, misjudging market demand, and misallocating resources. Recognizing and incorporating margin of error ensures more informed and effective decision-making.